ToyBox 3D printer for a few months now. I've gotten better at designing items for the dollhouse with the help of Froggy Boy. We started using the app Morphe, which is pretty good for beginners. We've been able to design things like cups, mugs, and plates, then import the files into our ToyBox app and watch them print. And in just 6 minutes, we have a new accessory for the dollhouse. Check out one of my newest designs. Just press print and prepare to be amazed. To make doll-sized cake. It's a little slice with icing on the side and a candle. So that got me thinking, I can make my own blind boxes! And that's just what I did. We made my Froggy Stuff blind boxes, containing 3D printed items for the dollhouse. Making your own blind boxes can be a great gift for friends and family. We have a plain printable box available on our blog, myfroggystuff.blogspot.com, so you can print it out and make your own. We made a fun little label for ours so it's nice and colorful. Then cut it out, fold over the tabs, and crease the sides so we can make our box. Apply glue to the side tab to make a square, fold over the bottom tabs, glue them down to make our surprise box that we can fill with anything we've made. Well, as long as it will fit in the box. Since we've been having fun with our ToyBox 3D printer, we are going to fill our surprise box with 3D printed stuff. Add a little tissue paper, close the box, and add a little tape on top. Or we could use a sticker. I like that idea too. For your very own homemade blind box. Are you ready for this? We made our own series of blind boxes. My Froggy Stuff Surprise Boxes Series 1. It's not really a thing, but it should be a thing. Inside, we will find a variety of things that we have made with our ToyBox 3D printer. Let's open one up. I have to adjust the size of my tabs on the printable. They came out a little short. We'll fix that later. But inside, we have a dog bowl and a little dog chew toy that is shaped like a bone, and it is the perfect size for our dolly pets. We also printed our bowl in blue with a tan-colored bone. Froggy Boy was very kind to pack all of these boxes for me, and he assured me that there are no doubles. Right?
Sure.
Let's open another one. I'm a little concerned now that we might actually have a double in here. But this is not a double. Inside, we just found a vase for the dollhouse. That's a cool little shape. It kind of reminds me of a pineapple. Ooh, we should print this in yellow. And there is a small tissue box. We can take the tissue paper out of the box, cut a small square, then pull it through the opening in the box so it looks like the doll has tissue. We printed the tissue box in blue and white as well. Even though I helped to design some of these blind boxes, I don't know what is in all of them. Because Froggy Boy designed a few on his own, so they will be a surprise to me as well. I love surprises! These are pretty easy to open because they don't have any plastic all over them. And in here we have cake! 2 slices of yellow cake and a water bottle. Since everything is 3D printed, it's all one color. But in our free time, we can go back with paint and add details. The cake also comes in brown, light brown, red, and blue. If you put 7 slices together, it almost makes a complete cake. I wonder what's in this box. Just remove the sticker, and we have something red. Oh, it's a toaster! That will really come in handy in the dollhouse. We only have one color right now because this took forever to print. Up next, we have... what is that? Oh, these are books! Yes! 2 books to go on our shelves in the dollhouse. I love doll books. We have written quite a few, and we could use our printables to add covers to our books. We could use a little white paint to make the pages white. We printed the books in brown as well. We have 6 boxes to go. Inside of this one, we will find... oh, wow! This is one of Froggy Boy's! This is a game controller! Let me show it to you in blue so you can see all of the detail. He added a whole bunch of little buttons on there. Now this is one that is definitely a surprise for me. I am very excited. And of course he made a game controller because he loves video games. Can our dolls hold it? Yes, they can! I absolutely love these. 5 boxes to go. Now that we have game controllers, we totally need a game console. Wait, what is that? It looks like bread. We have little slices of bread and a partial loaf to go with the toaster. We can put the bread inside and pretend like the dolls are making toast. Love it. We also printed the bread in dark brown. Maybe it's pumpernickel. Or we can pretend that our dolls put the bread in, then push down the lever, and our toast is done. So far no doubles. We're doing good with just 4 boxes to go. And this is a large red bowl. Bowls are one of the first things we learned to make with the Morphe software, so I'm very proud of our bowls. Only 3 left! And this is... ooh, it's a mug. We have a mug with a plate. Then there is a little cylinder of brown, so you can place it inside the mug and look like your doll has a cup of coffee. To go with 1, 2 bagels. Nice little breakfast there. We've printed the mugs in a couple of different colors, and we have a darker brown bagel too. If you paint icing on them, they become donuts. We are down to just 2 surprise boxes. Inside of this one, we will find... what's that? What is that? I know what this is! It's a console! It looks kind of like a PlayStation, and it goes perfectly with the controllers. This is another Froggy Boy original design, and I love it. In our very last My Froggy Stuff surprise box, we have, drum roll, please. Wait a minute. Is that bread? He thinks he's so funny. He gave me a double. Ha ha! I can't even escape doubles when we make our own blind boxes. Hilarious. But what do we do with the boxes when we're all done? Well, you know me. We have to recycle them. Craft time! Take an empty box and fold over and glue down the tabs. Then just turn it around to make a cube storage box. Perfect for storing small items in the dollhouse. Glue 2 together to make a small cube shelf to store our dollhouse items. We printed our boxes on cardstock to make them more sturdy. Glue more together to make larger shelving units to be furniture in the dollhouse, allowing us to reduce, reuse, and craft. Thank you for joining us while we made our own surprise boxes. We are going to give away a few on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff. So keep an eye out for that giveaway coming real soon. And check out our review for the ToyBox 3D printer for more information on how to print your own toys. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And you're done.
Happy crafting!
We want to give a shout out to Jaslyn Sings. What's up? Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me.
Sophie, what are you doing? It's not our birthday.
I know, Chloe, but I'm eating birthday cake. You gotta sing a song. It's kind of tradition.
I give up.